Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making fermented red bean paste. Yes, another fermented food. Because I really love the fermented food lately, and this food is trendy between the health conscious people in Japan. You cannot buy it at the grocery store, so the only way to taste it is making by yourself. It doesn't contain any sugar, so your blood sugar level will not rise sharply, and it's rich in dietary fiber, so your gut health will be improved. And you can expect a skin beauty effect. And of course, it is super delicious. Let's get started. It's not overly sweet like sugar-used Anko, but it tastes really good. It doesn't have a funky taste actually, and if you don't know this is made of Rice Koji, you don't even realize it. Just give it a try. Alex? Please? Okay, let's do it. With the Alex on my back. Why not? Oh. 美味しい。ごちそうさまでした。